Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I am sharing Claypot rice with Chinese sausage and chicken. After Chinese New Year, Hong Kong's weather is still cold, great for Claypot rice. 400 grams of chicken, 2 cans of Chinese sausage, 5 mushrooms, a small piece of ginger, a few spring onion. Glutinous rice is on the right. The left hand is ordinary white rice. The ratio is 10:1. The meal will be more layered. Burnt rice will be more crispy. Wash it and soak it for an hour. Set aside. Soak mushrooms, sausages in hot water. Set aside. Wash the chicken, cut into pieces, and season. Wash again to avoid bone fragments inside. Scoop up, drain. Cut the shallots to about 4 cm long. Sliced ginger for marinating the chicken, scallions for last. After the chicken is drained, season it. Take 400 grams of chicken as an example. Add a teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chicken powder, half tablespoon oyster sauce, pinch pepper, half tablespoon rice wine, 2 teaspoons cornstarch. Add sliced ginger. Mix well. Add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well. Set aside. Slice the Chinese sausages. As in the film. Don't cut the intestines sausage too thin, otherwise it will spread out. Cut to about 2 centimeters wide. Cut off the stems of the mushrooms. Wash the bottom of the mushrooms with cornstarch to remove the mud. Split it into for easy eating. Mix mushrooms and chicken. When the rice is soaked, you can cook the rice. Pour the water away. This time I used a kettle to make it. Heat up the kettle first. Spray a little oil into the pot. Apply evenly. Add soaked rice. The rice has been soaked. The amount of water just covering the surface is enough. Otherwise, the finished product will be soggy and mushy. Turn on the highest heat and bring it to a boil, stirring constantly in between. After boiling, stop stirring and cover. Turn down to low heat. After 15 minutes, add the other ingredients. After 15 minutes, add the chicken. It has to be paved. Put the sausages on the chicken. Cover. Cook for 15 minutes. Drizzle half tablespoon of peanut oil over the rim of the lid. Lard oil can also be used for better results. Tilt the casserole so that it heats evenly. After 15 minutes, add the shallots. Turn to medium heat and cook for 30 seconds. Turn off the fire. Add sweet soy sauce, mix well and serve. For the method of making sweet soy sauce, you can refer to the link in the upper right corner. I will not add soy sauce for the time being. Let me show you the bottom of the rice. The bottom is golden yellow and the texture is crispy. Satisfied with the effect? Claypot rice with Chinese sausage and chicken is completed. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.